Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix home credit issue. So here I'm going to teach you how to fix your home credit issue. To fix your home credit issue, of course, there must be an issue on your home credit. So let's say it's a little bit buggy or something like that. All we need to do is go to our settings. So we're going to go to our settings. I'll see you there. Once we're at our settings, we're just going to click on apps. After apps, click on app management. Then now we have to find the home credit. So I'll see you there. Now we're here at our home credit. So there's two ways of doing this to fix the bugging issue. Just click on storage usage right here. Then click on clear cache. After doing that, it might now work. If it still doesn't work, all now we need to do is click on storage and then clear data right here. Clear data right here. And if still doesn't work, go to permissions right here and double check every permissions that are allowed and not allowed. And there, if it doesn't still fix the problem, I highly suggest just uninstalling the app right here, right there, and installing it again. And if you fully download it and you try that, and if you also try to force stop it, but it still doesn't work, still bugging out, I suggest choosing going to find a good Wi-Fi connection, because sometimes the problem is the Wi-Fi connection. So I suggest going to a good Wi-Fi connection. And if still that doesn't work, I suggest contacting the home credit hotline. So here I'm going to give you the home credit hotline. Here at our home credit, here is the home credit hotline. If ever it still doesn't work and still the app is still bugging, you can call contact right there, 0277535711. Email info at homecredit.ph and website www.homecredit.ph, and messenger HCFB chat. You can just contact them right there. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys the video enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.